Cybersecurity.
Welcome, everyone, to this educational course dedicated to one of the most powerful and essential tools in the world of cybersecurity and penetration testing, Kali Linux. Whether you're a beginner just entering the field of information security, or someone with technical experience looking to level up, this course is designed for you. Together, we'll learn how to use Kali Linux professionally, step by step, exploring its most important tools, and how to apply security concepts in a practical, hands-on, and ethical way. But before diving into the details, before we even open the terminal, let's start by answering a simple yet fundamental question. Why do we use Kali Linux specifically? What sets this distribution apart from other Linux distros? And is it really useful for both beginners and advanced users? Kali Linux isn't just an operating system, it's a complete penetration testing environment. It comes packed with hundreds of pre-installed tools for network analysis, vulnerability scanning, digital forensics, encryption, and even social engineering. It's a powerful toolkit, but using it requires a clear and ethical understanding of its capabilities, otherwise, it becomes a double-edged sword. That's why we'll emphasize the difference between ethical and unethical use, and how these skills can be used to protect data, not violate it. We'll also cover the key differences between Kali and other Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Fedora, and explain why it's the preferred choice for security professionals worldwide. And yes, we'll show you how Kali can be a great option for beginners, as long as it's used with the right guidance and responsibility. In this introduction, we'll lay out the roadmap for the course, explain the hands-on learning style we'll follow, and make sure you're not just learning theory, but actually applying it, experimenting with real tools, in a safe environment. Get ready, because our journey with Kali Linux starts right now. Welcome, everyone, to this educational course dedicated to one of the most powerful and essential tools in the world of cybersecurity and penetration testing, Kali Linux. Whether you're a beginner just entering the field of information security, or someone with technical experience looking to level up, this course is designed for you. Together, we'll learn how to use Kali Linux professionally, step by step, exploring its most important tools, and how to apply security concepts in a practical, hands-on, and ethical way. Peace be upon you all, and welcome to this practical session on one of the most powerful Linux distributions specialized in the field of cybersecurity, Kali Linux. Kali is a distribution based on Debian, but it is specifically designed for highly advanced tasks such as penetration testing, digital forensics, reverse engineering. What sets Kali apart from other distributions is that it comes pre-installed with over 600 specialized tools, so there's no need to manually install anything. In other words, the system is fully ready to use from the very first boot. Direct hit. Let's now begin the hands-on session and explore the essential tools. Map, for network scanning and device discovery. Map is an open-source tool used for scanning networks and identifying connected devices. It's considered one of the essential tools in any penetration testing lab. With Map, you can find out the number of devices connected to the network, the open ports on each device, the operating system being used, the active services running. For example, if we type the following command in the terminal: map sn192.168.1.0/24. We'll get a list of all devices on the same network, along with their IP address and MAC address. Wireshark, for packet analysis. Wireshark is a powerful tool used to analyze data traffic within a network. It's used to monitor, capture, and analyze every data packet that passes through the network interface card, NIC. With Wireshark, you can identify security vulnerabilities, trace attacks such as ARP spoofing or DNS hijacking, analyze protocols like HTTP, DNS, and TCP/IP. In the practical session, we open Wireshark, select the network interface, and click Start Capture. Each packet will appear in real time, and you can click on any of them to view the full details. Metasploit Framework, the most powerful exploitation tool. Metasploit Framework is one of the most powerful tools for vulnerability testing and practical exploitation. It's widely used by professionals to assess how vulnerable systems are to attacks, and also to develop custom offensive tools. With Metasploit, you can search for known vulnerabilities in systems or services, launch payloads to exploit a system, gain remote control over the target device. For example, if we type console, search VSFTPD, we'll get a list of vulnerabilities related to the VSFTPD service, and we can immediately begin testing the exploitation process. Hydra, a powerful brute force and dictionary attack tool. Hydra is an extremely powerful tool used for brute force or dictionary attacks. It allows you to try a large number of passwords against various services like SSH, FTP, Telnet, and even web login pages. Practical example: Bash. Hydra ladmin p/usr/share/wordlist/rocku.txt192.168.1.5 ssh. This command attempts to log in using the username admin, trying every password from the rocku.txt word list on a specific SSH target at IP 192.168.1.5. Warning important: always use Hydra only in legal testing environments, e.g., labs, or with explicit permission. Aircracking, a toolkit for Wi-Fi security testing. Aircracking is a suite of tools used to test the security of Wi-Fi networks. It allows you to analyze encryption, capture packets, and even attempt to crack wireless passwords. Here's a quick overview of how to use it. Enable monitor mode on your network interface. Airmaning start WLAN 0. Capture packets using AirDumping. Then use aircracking to try to decrypt the password. All of this helps you evaluate how strong your Wi-Fi network really is and identify any potential vulnerabilities. Green circle conclusion. As you've seen, Kali Linux is not just an operating system. It's a complete environment packed with tools that help you learn and work in the field of cybersecurity in a hands-on way. From the moment you install Kali, you're ready to begin. And the best part, it's all free and open source. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution based on Debian, designed specifically for cybersecurity tasks, penetration testing, digital forensics, and reverse engineering. What makes Kali stand out is that it comes with over 600 pre-installed security tools for vulnerability testing, network analysis, password cracking, information gathering, and more. Examples: nmap, network scanning; Wireshark, packet analysis; Metasploit, exploitation framework; Hydra, password cracking; air cracking, wireless security testing. With Kali, you don't need to install each tool separately, it's all pre-configured and ready. Let's clarify the difference between Kali and other Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Mint, or Fedora. Purpose: Ubuntu is for daily use, browsing, programming. Kali is for penetration testers and security professionals. Pre-installed software: Kali includes security tools, others don't. User privileges: Kali often runs as root, others limit root access for safety. Community support: Kali is backed by offensive security and targets professionals. Daily use: Kali is not meant as a daily OS, but as a secure testing environment. This is the most important part, the ethical side. Using Kali carries great responsibility. Some think it's a hacking tool for random attacks, the truth is the opposite. Kali is a legal testing environment to discover and fix system vulnerabilities. Ethical usage means: never use the tools on networks/systems without permission. Use them only for learning or authorized ethical testing. Respect privacy and local laws. Tip: practice only on your devices or virtual environments like VirtualBox or VMware. This is the most important part, the ethical side. Using Kali carries great responsibility. Some think it's a hacking tool for random attacks, the truth is the opposite. Kali is a legal testing environment to discover and fix system vulnerabilities. Ethical usage means: never use the tools on networks/systems without permission. Use them only for learning or authorized ethical testing. Respect privacy and local laws. Tip: practice only on your devices or virtual environments like VirtualBox or VMware. Before we start the practical sessions, here are some important tips. White heavy checkmark: learn slowly and focus, master each tool before moving on. White heavy checkmark: always use a virtual environment, never test on real networks without permission. White heavy checkmark: ask questions, if something isn't clear, reach out to the community. White heavy checkmark: take notes, Kali has many tools, document what you learned. Direct hit final thought: our goal is not to become hackers, but ethical security researchers who protect systems, not destroy them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to get all the latest updates. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want any specific tutorial, leave a comment below.